Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Here's an easy decadent dessert recipe with just 4 ingredients. Start by melting chocolate in a heat-resistant glass bowl over boiling water. In another bowl, crumble the store-bought marble cake or pound cake, and then crumble digestive biscuits over it and mix. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or any neutral oil to the chocolate just to make it more viscous and more liquidy. Pour the melted chocolate over the cake and biscuits and mix. Transfer the mixture to an oven-safe dish or the same aluminum that the cake came in. Top with a drizzle of melted chocolate to help the marshmallows stick on top, and apply the marshmallows on top. Then pop it into the oven at 185 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees, or just enough for the marshmallows to toast and for the mixture to be warm. Enjoy your quick and easy ooey gooey dessert while it's warm. Bye!